Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I hope everyone is enjoying their public holiday. Hi, kushubile kamseleko kushu. We can see here Umato and Abongwe going at the sea to pray for impilo kamseleko. Hey guys, when you see yourself in life finding yourself praying a different prayer, that prayer that said, God, not now, not now. We can see Umacele here. She's praying naye baselwandle emanzini lana. Like there's such divine connection when you are speaking to God usemanzini, guys. It's like you get a divine connection. Like there's that spiritual of water and prayers. I'll definitely go that way when things are that tough. We can see the pain in Abongwe, guys, as she's praying, as Umacele is saying, Bana, God does not lie, and in trials and tribulations, you must always go back to God and say, God, here again, I am here again. At this time, I need you more than I've ever needed you in my life. We can see here Uguti, out of everything else that is happening, the fight, the number 5, the other wives wanting to leave, and you can see here ukuthi Umacele and Abongwe. I actually applaud Umacele the way she raised ingane zakhe ukubana in times like this we kneel down and speak to our maker. That is what exactly Abongwe is doing right now. She is closing every door of death. She's asking for strength from her maker and the maker of all of us. Like there's no other way that you can raise your kids besides teaching them ukubana they must know God, they must pray, they must know how to pray for themselves and their loved ones in times of trials and tribulations like these. I highly applaud Umacele the way she's raising Abongwe, and Abongwe has grown to be such an intelligent, mature young person that she is. You can see the way, like you can hear the pain, you can see the connection that she's going, like she even Umacele, she's like, oh, this one, like she is connecting with the spirit world uthi ufuna nokungena phakathi kwamanzi, like she wants to even continue going. And Umacele at this moment, she had to be like screaming Abongwe, like she can see ukuthi she is going in there, because it's like the moment you start praying deeply and connecting, and nothing matters that is around you, like nothing matters. Shame. We can see Umacele here crying in her prayers, crying crying to God ukubana not now, God. Uyasho Umacele ukuthi God does not disappoint us. That's what we believe as umndeni ukubana in times of tribulations like this, in times of deeper challenges that we find ourselves ukubana uyayibona ke le, I cannot control it. The only way is for you to go to God and pray for it, and pray. Like God doesn't disappoint, guys. God does not disappoint. Shame. Ibile, God doesn't lie. I agree with Umacele when it comes to that one. Upana, God does not disappoint, and God does not lie. He says, Upana, cry to me and I shall hear your cries. This is what Abongwe and Umacele doing right now. They are here crying to their maker, Upana, God, no grave will be dug in this family. Not now. like they are pleading for impilo kaMseleko. What more that could deeply show uthando emntwini more than what is Abongwe and uMacele doing right now? What more could one ask for if someone would actually put whatever that they are doing, put it on the side, like forgetting about everything else, and just go and ask for someone else's life? And you can see here they are pleading to God to give them strength with this challenge that they are facing right now, which is the illness of Umseleko, that seems like he really looks sick. He really looks sick. And Abongwe last day, she was even saying bana his speech has changed, his eyesight has changed. Even when he's walking, he needs to be held for ukubana a balance. Like we saw last uMacele ambambe ngesandla. We saw even last when she was leaving noSne, still like she was holding on to Sne, amhagile lapho for balance. Even when uAbongwe was, when they went for drinks with Abongwe, still Abongwe had to like put her hands over him so that azokhona uhamba kahle. Umseleko, he is literally like you can see bana he is definitely getting sicker and sicker right in front of our eyes, guys. Right in front of our eyes, like putting the entertainment world on the side. Like honestly speaking, I wonder like how is this making them feel as a family in their real life, like when cameras are off and everything else is off. At the end of the day, they are human and people like us. This might be for our entertainment of what is the next scoop, who's gonna go, who's gonna leave, is Makhumalo staying, is Mangwabe gonna continue with divorce, in all of those things. Nje, at the end of the day, they are still human beings. They are still human. Like usase umuntu naye Nkosi yami uMseleko. And I do feel sorry for him here. I do feel sorry, and I hope he gets better, and I hope ukubana God really hears all their prayers. Like God must hear Abongwe's prayers, because definitely within the depth of her heart, Ubananje, she is praying, decreeing and declaring. She's shutting all doors in Jesus' name. All doors, they are sealed in Jesus' name. Doors of death. Like uMacele lana phela uyabona ukuthi uAbongwe, like she's getting into this divine spiritual connection ukuthi like she kept on going in and in and in and in emanzini, like so like uMacele uyabona ukuthi this one now kwamele astopiwe Nkosi yami, because sizogcina sesikwenye inkeme lana. So yeah guys, what do you guys think? What do you guys think ukubana is all of this stress that is happening esika number 5, the other wives not wanting to leave and not wanting to be part of number 5, is making uMseleko sick? And because I can see some people are commenting ubana ayivalwe nje le ndaba ka number 5, because it seems like since nje number 5 was introduced to the family nje, it's coming with a whole lot of stress, because now it's like umndeni lo ngathi nje is being scattered ngale ndaba ka number 5, ukuthi seloko kwathiwa hayi kuno-number 5 ozoba khona nje. Ngathi nje okuningi nje, a lot of things just turned sour, Nkosi yami. A lot of things just turned sour for the family. Like obviously now there's like separation, which means these kids now, they don't want to be sent there. Omunye nomunye said, my kids can't go there because this one is agreeing with this and now we are not agreeing with this. God must hear their prayers, Shem. God must hear their prayers. I don't understand also Umseleko naye, the way he is like ngathi uyalayela man. Senake nambona ukubana uye esibhedlela and ugogo wakho sekazohamba emhlabeni sekakutshela ukubana mntanami uziphathe kakuhle nana. I feel like Umseleko at this point nje ubusy uyalayela. That day he was telling uAbonge ukubana he must continue studies, he must graduate whether Umseleko is there or not. And he was sitting down with Usne nakhona amtshela ukubana Usne must make amends with her life so that ukuthi mangasekho azokhona ukuyinakekela. Kwenzakalani Nkosi yami Umseleko sekalayela kanje? Kwenzakalani Thixo? Kwenzakalani Nkosi yami? Siyabonga amacele Nkosi yami ukubana nimbeke ubaba emthandazweni. This shows ukubana in everything else enithi umacele this, umacele that, she truly loves her husband. She truly loves her family. And you can see uAbongwe naye, the way she deeply prays. Guys, that level of prayer, that level of prayer, I don't think God cannot hear it. Definitely with that level of prayer, God will quickly nje, in a snap. There's no way God cannot answer such prayers. There's no way that God cannot answer these prayers. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And yes, I am seeing all the subscribers. Thank you so much. Thank you.